So guys, till now we saw how to run our macros either using a shortcut key or by manually going to macros and selecting a particular macros and running that macros. But say if you are not comfortable with these options, as you keep on forgetting the shortcut keys or like the manual process is bit longer, then you have one more option along with you to run your macros. Yeah, you got it right. It's by using the button option. So by just clicking one button, you would be able to run your macros, and in this case, you would be able to run your macros and you would be able to see your headers along with the formatting done to that. So there will be one button over here. You just need to click on that button and your macros would be running over here. So now exactly we will see how to do that, how to create that button and how to run that macros. So first of all we need to click right on the top. In view option also you can click right on the top, and after that you would be able to see this customize the ribbon option over here. So you need to click on this option and this box will be visible in front of you. Within it, if this customized ribbon is not selected, then please select this button. After that you would be able to see this box over here. In this you need to click this this developer option. So you need to tick on this developer. If it's unticked, then tick that mark. For me, I already activated that, so it's already ticked over here, and we need to click on this OK after that. So after that you would be able to see this developer option on the top. So we need to select this developer option and you would be able to see this insert option over here below developer. You need to select on that option, after which you would be able to see many options would be visible in front of you, but you need to select this first option of button. As I am in a wrong sheet, first of all I will go to this sheet. So you can see this is the same data with the different countries and their profits in different quarters and all. So again I will select this insert option and will select this button option over here, and I will create my button over here. So now you can see these macros which we created earlier. So we will assign these macros to our button. So we will select this macros and we will click on OK over here. So you can see this button got created, and we can also change its name. As our button is related to creating a header, we will name it as header. And now just by clicking this button our macro would be running and you would be able to see the header on the top. So now we will click this header option and you can see this header got created within no time. So these are the three options which we can use for running our macros, either using a shortcut key or by manually running the macros, and the third option is by using one button option. So by clicking that button you would be able to run your macros. So I would urge you guys to experiment with all these three options and try out two things in different way, so you would be having a better understanding of all these three options. So that's it for today guys.